Hello, students, and welcome to our English class for the chapter The Fun They Had, Part 4, written by Isaac Asimov. Students, before proceeding for this Part 4 video, let's have a recap for Part 1, 2, and 3. We have seen that Margie is a 11-year-old girl. She is writing in her diary that Tommy found a real book. And she remembers that once her grandfather told her that when they were young, they also studied in normal settings of the school and were reading with the books. Now, why this concept of real book is a bit strange for us? The thing is that this is a futuristic story. The date which Margie mentions in her diary, that is 17th May 2157. It means it's about 23rd century, when definitely everything will change and will become more computerized. So, Margie, who actually hated schools, she is a bit curious to know what book is all about. As that book based on a century or a generation where people were going to schools in the normal setting as you go right now. So definitely the book was very old and was yellow in color due to as it was very old, that is the reason the pages became very yellowish in color and was crinkly. Crinkly means there were wrinkles on the pages. It was not very smooth. And when Margie asked Tommy that from where you found this book, he responded that from attic without even saying over there. What this attic is a kind of storeroom. Even Tommy added that this kind of the books are just useless as if the words on it are not moving, it is steady. So definitely people will not prefer it. Even I too. Why he is saying so? Because as Tommy is 13-year-old, so he has read many books on his television screen. Just like now you can see some of the books on your mobile phones, right? So now this when the future generation will be there, especially of 23rd century which we are talking about, so there was no real books which you read today. It was all computerized books in form of telebooks. And he also added that it's very odd to say that we have to keep only books and books, so many only one book is containing this much of content, where in my television screens I can keep at one place thousands of the books without creating any kind of the storage issue. And also he tells Margie that this book is about school. Now Margie is a bit confused that why people will write about schools and what does this tells about the school. So he when he starts reading it, he tells her that in this book it's written that earlier the children used to study in the normal settings of the school in a building where they used to study all together and students were having contact with each other and the humans were the teacher. Now let's proceed further and see what else. Yes, one more thing I left. That was about her mechanical teacher. As far as Margie is concerned, why I said that she hated school, because of her mechanical teacher and her geography section especially, because she used to score very less marks in her geography section. As when the county inspector is just like a mechanic, when he came, and or you can say it as just an engineer who came and operated this mechanical teacher, he come up with this issue that he can console Mrs. Jones that it was not at all Margie's fault that she was performing worst and worst day by day. It was the problem of the mechanical teacher only, because the slot means the timing which was set more than that of the age of Margie. So now I have repaired it and have made the time for 10-year level. Okay, so it will become easy for Margie to handle it. And he also patted on Margie's head. Now let's proceed. So as you can see here, it's written Margie was hurt after seeing that she was not doing any mistake. It was not at all her fault that she was performing worst in her geography section. It was the fault of the machine only. So she was very hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. Even she was hurted because when she get to know that how come a person can write about school and that is also in a book, what is there special in a school to write about? So she asked to Tommy as well as the teacher that, well, I don't know what kind of the school they had all that time. She asked that I don't know about the settings where earlier the children used to study. Like we in 21st century, we are studying in the normal schools only, right? Humans are the teacher over there. So she says from 23rd century that she don't know what was the setting at that time, how the people used to study, because she's just only 11-year old, so she hasn't seen all such kind of things. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. So then, after reading a little bit, then the answer what being replied, that was that definitely, anyways, they had the teacher. So definitely, as she's having the teacher right now as a mechanical teacher, today you had a teacher like human teachers, right? So the difference is just that only. There in her setting, she is being taught by a machine means a mechanical teacher, and you by the human. Let's proceed further. What else she noticed? Now when she added that they had a teacher, by the way, so now it was being added by Tommy that yes, sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. So now Tommy added over there that definitely they had the teacher, but the thing is that they were not having the teacher like you have today as a mechanical teacher, a regular teacher like that. It was a man. Humans were teaching at that time. Then she started imagining it. As you can see in the picture, she started imagining that there was an imaginary picture as well, where students are sitting all together in one setting and human teacher is teaching over there. Now here regular mean as normal or usual kind. So normal kind of the teachers are not teaching over there, just like the mechanical teachers are not teaching at that time. At that time the humans were teaching. So I hope it's clear. Now Margie is shocked and she says, a man? How could a man be a teacher? She is very shocked. How come humans can teach? Means, do they also have intelligence that they can teach? Because she thinks computers are more smarter than human. So she says that how come a human can teach and become a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and the girls thanks and gave them homework and asked them questions. Then Tommy tells her that although you believe it or not, but yes, he used to teach boys and girls all together sitting in one particular setting, and then he used to give the homework and ask them questions in order to understand that how much they have understood. A man isn't smart enough. Now Margie has a question that, do you really think humans are smart that they can teach even? So she is very shocked to know that how come humans can teach. Sure, he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. Now, Tommy added that definitely they know a lot of things, as today my father also knows as much as my mechanical teacher knows. So, it's not a thing to get surprised that humans were teaching at that time, because today, where this is the generation of mechanical teachers, my father also have the equal knowledge. So he agreed to it that humans can even teach. He knows almost as much, I betcha. Now you might be thinking, what is this betcha? Betcha is a kind of informal word, or I can say it as an archaic word. Archaic means ancient word. So betcha means I bet in fast speech. In fast speech means is being, you can say it as committing something very fastly. So I bet, I am sure. So she says that I think I am not that much sure about it, but he knows almost as much. So Tommy added over here, and even I can, if I have to talk about those teachers who were earlier present in the school setting, so definitely I can bet that, and I'm sure they might have such kind of knowledge, and definitely they can have such kind of the knowledge that they can teach in the normal schools. So you don't have to get very surprised that humans were the teacher at that time. Then Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. Now, Margie was not in a state to argue with Tommy in this particular topic of debate, that human versus mechanical teacher. Right? So, she added that I would never accept any stranger to come in my house and teach me. And even I won't accept any human that where I can go and get taught by them. So disputers disagree with when you are opposing something. So she don't want to oppose Tommy. So she just told that I would not like any kind of the strangers to come and teach me. So it means she is comfortable with this mechanical teacher somehow. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. Now, remember very carefully that on the basis of today's video and as well as the recap of today's, you will get an assignment number 2 of today's, which you have to answer at the same place. Just open the PDF, take your answers there, and then submit at the same place. Now you need to remember one thing very carefully, that the time limit for sending your assignment is just only 5 p.m. Before 5 p.m. you have to submit your assignments. So best of luck, and do not forget to submit your assignment on time. And one more thing, from stream section on Google Classroom you will get your all the videos, and from classwork section you can access your study material as well as your assignment questions. Now, one thing you need to be very careful and relaxed about, that is, you don't have to bother about any book and copy right now. If you don't get the book and copies, if you're not having the access towards the book and copy, no problem, you just watch these videos, because I assure you, I think it would be more clear beside any book and copy which you just read. Fine. So if you are going to buy it, that is very good, no problem in that. Buy the books. If you are able to do it, then do watch the videos, so that in order to clear your topics. So thank you so much for watching the video.